everybody, it's Kathleen here with Miss Sadie. Today I want to go over some of my favorite makeup products right now from Sephora. I've been trying these over the past several months. Some of them are newer releases, but I've been using them constantly over the past month, and I would really like to recommend them to you guys. So this is for anybody that is interested in buying some new makeup products, is interested in my thoughts on them, or if you're interested in the VIB Rouge sale that's happening at Sephora this coming week. The sale only happens twice a year, at springtime and at fall, right before Christmas time. So this is very exciting for makeup lovers. I know that I have some makeup that I'm really interested in purchasing in the next coming days. But here are some of my staple tried and true products that I have been testing and trying, and I wanted to share them with you guys. If you like today's video and you want to see more of my face, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. The like button tells people that you liked the video, obviously. Oh my gosh, why do I have to say that? Okay, sorry. The like button tells the YouTube algorithm basically that they can suggest it to other people who have same interests as you might have in videos that you're watching. So it would show my videos then to a wider audience. So if you think that other people might like it and you like it as well, then go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, let's get on to the video. The first product we're gonna go over is the Saie Beauty Super Glow Gel. I love this product. It is a beautiful glowy highlighting liquid balm. You can wear it alone, you can mix it into foundation, or you can mix it into your cream. You can still have a really beautiful illuminated glow. Something that I don't use it for is on top of, as like an actual highlighter, there's not enough luminescence there and shift there in the actual product to do that. And I feel like it might pick up my powder products that I layer on top of my creams. So I haven't tried that yet, but let me know down below if you like using this product that way. The next product I would recommend to you guys is a really interesting one. It is the LYS Beauty Liquid Foundation. This just came out a few weeks ago. It is a gorgeous makeup line, and this foundation in particular is a great one. In Canada, it's only $28, which is one of the lowest price foundations you're gonna find at Sephora, next to the Sephora collection. In this foundation, you're getting incredible skincare ingredients at a low price, considering Sephora's normal targeted price for high-end foundations. This is the first Black-owned and created clean beauty brand from Sephora. This is amazing representation in the clean beauty space at Sephora, and I'm really interested to see where Sephora goes with Black-owned brands in the future. This foundation serves as a solid medium coverage. It's very similar to the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. I do layer it with the Saie Beauty Glow Gel, but I think this is an incredible and beautiful product on its own. The longevity is also very impressive. If you're seeing a pattern here, I've been very intrigued in the clean beauty makeup spaces at Sephora. I've really been diving into these in the past year or two and focusing on some of the tried and true products that have very good reviews on Sephora, and I want to try them out for you guys before you spend your money on them, because they can be expensive. Talking about expensive, we have my next I can't say that. Next I have for concealer is the Kosas Reveal Concealer in the shade 1.5. This concealer is incredibly interesting. It is a medium to full coverage despite having skincare ingredients. You would immediately think that it would be a lighter coverage concealer, but you actually get a really good amount of coverage here. I don't have to use too much, which sort of justifies the price here. I know that Kosas markets this product as an eye cream and a concealer in one. To be honest with you, I still use a separate eye cream in my skincare routine. Over the past few years, my under eyes have become very, very dry, and this formula has been really, really nice. It's a very comfortable formula. It is a really nice concealer, and I do really appreciate that it is clean at Sephora. Next, I'm not going to stick here too long. It's just the Mercier translucent setting powder. It's a tried and true. A lot of people really, really like it. I use it very sparingly on the shiniest parts of my face because I have combo skin. I find that my T-zone can get super oily, and the Revealer Concealer can and does crease. So you really need to set that with a really good setting powder, or you're gonna be really disappointed in the product, and you're gonna be essentially wasting the concealer. Overall, you get a really crazy amount of product in there. You get 1 full ounce. I believe it's 29 grams of product in the whole thing. Honestly, 1 container of Laura Mercier setting powder lasts me a good year to 2 years. So if you get it, you're gonna be set for a long time. Literally. Oh no. For blush, I've been really enjoying the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick in the shade Werk. This gives a beautiful natural flush to the skin, and I feel like a lot of people would really, really like this. During the Sephora sale, I'm at least going to be picking up 1 new shade in the shade Perk and possibly in the shade Swish. If you guys are interested in seeing reviews on either of those shades, and if you're interested in seeing comparison swatches in my other cream blush collection that I have, it's become extensive. It's a problem. Let me know if you want the blush. Because if you want the blush, I'll give you the blush. Why does that sound so cool? Okay, never mind. So this is a lovely cream formula. It's very pigmented. I use both my fingers and a brush just to apply these. I use the brush to sheer on color, and then I can pack on a little bit more with my fingertips and just buff where I want the extra pigment to go. I use my fingers to blend out the edges into the rest of the skin, and I love the beautiful dewy flush this leaves. So if you're not into cream blushes, or if you like layering your blushes like me to set, or if you just like that extra pop, then I would recommend the MAC Cosmetics Glow Play blushes. These blushes are gorgeous blushes. They are a powder blush, but they almost have a cream to powder feel when you touch them. They are buttery soft, but they're packed quite hard. So when you go in, you really can take your time and add that extra pigment as you need it. These are a little expensive for a powder blush, I must say, but if you're looking to splurge on a nice powder blush that would be a beautiful staple in your collection, then I would definitely recommend these. I have the shade Grand, and this is beautiful in adding a luminous glow to the skin that doesn't take too much work. The glowy bronzer recommendation I would bring to you guys is the Cosas Bronzer in the shade Light. This is a baked bronzer that's baked in Italy, and it is a beautiful formula. It does have quite a bit of luminosity to it, so if you're not into a glowy bronzing product, I would definitely skip this one. But if you like to use a product like this as a topper, or if you have some no makeup days that you want just an extra bronze look, this is a gorgeous option. My favorite finishing powder that I have been into lately is the Kosas Cloud Setting Powder in the shade Airy. There isn't a lot of pigment to this powder, so you're not going to get a lot of coverage there, but it does give a slight blur to the skin. So if you're interested in setting your concealer, setting your under eyes, I would not recommend this product. That's not what this is for. It is not really a setting powder. It will not lock everything in place. I have tried that on my under eyes. I have applied with a sponge, with a brush. I have tried when my concealer is very creamy still. I have tried everything you can imagine. My concealer creases in a heartbeat. Set those areas first, then I go in and blend my entire complexion using this Kosas powder, and it leaves a beautiful juiced up look to the skin, something that I've been very into lately. Definitely a win for me. For eyes, I went in with a cream shadow and topped it off with some powder matte shadows. So for the cream, I went in with the Smashbox Always On cream shadow in the shade Amber. This is a warm toned matte finish cream. There is no smudging, there is no budging. This is a wonderful cream eyeshadow product. It's something that I like to use on its own, and I also like to layer with other products. Well, there you go. There are my recommended products for you guys. Thank you for sticking with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you think that other people who watch the same kind of videos as you would like this video. And if you want to see some dedicated videos about makeup hitting the beauty community, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment below if there's some specific products you would like me to try out. That's all for me, so I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.